What do you guys do to break up with your belly fat? Maybe because my belly fat loves me so much, we've never split up since being together, and I won't postpone to get rid of it. So, I decided to try the dance workout by the fitness Michelle, and this video is about my first 3 days. Today's expressions are 뱃살, 씩씩하다, 자신감, and 열정. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Bori, and it's Bori's Korean. Can you see my belly fat? That also is my baby's. I'm gonna burn it all. Yeah. Oh, but before that, let me quickly tell you what belly fat is in Korean. It's 뱃살. 뱃살. Now, I'm ready. Shall we go? But when I started dancing, I couldn't stop laughing because his dance moves were so ridiculous and passionate. I laughed so hard that my baby is laughing after me. Oh, just in case, I usually laugh a lot more gracefully than this. Don't be prejudiced against me, alright? I felt like the stage was too small, so I looked around and found my baby in the middle of the stage, threatening my place. Baby, no matter how lovely you are, it's not just anyone who is at the center of the stage. A prettier girl with better dance skills can take the center. Do you understand? Can you just go backwards, please? This competitive baby doesn't want to get out of the middle of the stage, and so our dance battle has begun. Who can take the center of it? Do you like the baby's new dance moves back there? Yeah, if you want to compete with me, at least you need your own new charm. That one is cute, I admit it. My baby thought I was bowing when she saw me do the bending moves, so the baby greets too in Korean way. How polite! Yes, Korean babies naturally learn to bow like this from a very young age. Daughter, I'm so proud of you. And again, the dance battle between me and the baby has begun. But the baby was so motivated that she lost her balance and fell down. What will happen next? That's right, she actually doesn't care about falling down. My daughter is so 씩씩해요. What did I just say? 씩씩해요. 씩씩해요. Its basic form is 씩씩하다, and this refers to a kind of personalities. 씩씩한, which is the adjective form of 씩씩하다. The 씩씩한 people don't easily get frustrated when they encounter difficulties. She said definitely 씩씩한 baby. Finally, it's my solo stage. Confidence is everything, don't you think? All the rivals who seek the stage center, back up. Here I am, the Korean mom. Oops, was I too passionate? My hairband is off. What's passion in Korean, by the way? It's 열정. 열정. Now my dance performance starts again. Let's burn it all. I'm wiping window glass. Oh yes, do you need a cleaning partner? $1, $1. And let go of your stress. One more time. When the instructor Marshall shouted, "Go crazy," I went completely mad because I used to be, and still I am, an excellent student without a doubt. Yes, my baby wants to join my dance performance. Bye bye, my belly fat, and everyone.